Welcome back, guys. Wimbledon is here for the 100th year. We're celebrating 100 years of centre court. And to do that, I'm bringing in strawberries, cream and Pims like you've never seen them before. Let's get it. Now the sauce, we've taken some frozen strawberries. We're gonna hit that with a good amount of Pims and Fino sherry. The Fino sherry is a welcome warmth to complement the black pepper and lift that strawberry flavor through. To that we're adding fennel pollen, spice of angels. It's the flowering pollen tips from the fennel flower. Super sweet and packed full of anise. That's gonna complement the black notes of the strawberry perfectly. Hit of black pepper, tiny amount of sugar. Gonna put this on the stove, bring that up to the boil, and then simmer it for about 6 to 7 minutes, fairly low. The reason we do that is because we want to boil off the alcohol and release the juice from those frozen strawberries. Now, Aaron, why are you using frozen strawberries, you man? I'll tell you why. Because when you freeze something, the water inside it expands. It breaks the cells, it denatures the structure of that thing. Whether it's cucumber, strawberry, watermelon, these high hydration fruits and vegetables, when frozen, expands the water, then you defrost and they release all of their juice. I've got a lid on this because I don't want to lose any of that flavor, any of that perfume. I don't want it to be lost into the atmosphere. Cream. Now for this cream, we're using mascarpone. I love mascarpone. I can eat it by the bucketful. I actually can. So our mascarpone goes into the bowl. A little bit of double cream, sweeten it with sugar, black pepper, a little bit more of that fennel pollen. And then we want to take this vanilla pod, scrape out the seeds, and then that goes into the bowl. When you're whisking any creams, it's a game of temperatures. You don't want this to get too warm in your kitchen because it will split. We're just teasing that around with the whisk. Because my mascarpone is really good quality, because my double cream is really good quality, the fat content is high. So this is whisked in a matter of seconds. If you've got a lower quality mascarpone, you might need to give it a bit of arm work for a little bit longer. Piping bag. Do me a favor, get yourself some of these. They're reusable, they're versatile, and they make your cooking better. It's in the jug, it's safe, it's secure, giving us a stable platform to add this stunning sweet cream. So now we've got the cream in the piping bag, we're just gonna give it a spin to make sure down at the tip of the piping bag, there's no unwanted air bubbles. Because when you're making your beautiful little pipes, if you have an air bubble in it, that's what will create the craters in your little pipes and dots around the plate. So give it a good spin and then tie her off. Cream can be done up to 2 days in advance. Strawberry liquor can be done up to 3 days in advance. You don't have to do all the cooking you need to do on the day that you need to do the cooking. Get mise en place in place. You can get preparation in place. You can be organized and methodical. So on the day, you can have a few too many Pims and all you've got to do is sprinkle some dust on some strawberries. Is that? The sauce, the juice, the strawberry essence has been boiling. You can see it starting to thicken and bubble up slightly. The alcohol's been reduced and now we've got that essence, that concentrated strawberry flavor. Absolutely stunning. It's dark red liquor, elixir of strawberry. So what I'm doing here is I'm just pushing the strawberries through with the back of a spoon. And this is teasing the juice through the sieve. I don't want to crush and press the flesh of the strawberry through. I just want to tease the juice out of the strawberry and through the sieve. Then what you're left with is this stunning strawberry juice, strawberry essence flavored with black pepper, fennel, the Pims, the sherry. It's all combined and created this stunning strawberry powerhouse liquor. We've taken the essence, the first layer of fragrance. That is now ours in the juice. But this has still got a ton of flavor left in it. So keep it in your fridge, bang it in your mueslis, your porridges, your smoothies. Don't let it go to waste. This deep red liquor is packed full of flavor. We're gonna get that into the fridge and cool it down. The reason we're doing that is because we're trying to keep the freshness. We're trying to keep that clarity of flavor. Cream's ready, sauce is done. Let's talk strawberries. Absolutely banging this time of year. Get to your local greengrocers, please, and ask them for the best strawberries they have. You can go to the supermarkets, there are some pretty good ones out there, but the organic strawberry that's grown with love is the one you're looking for. In half. I'm keeping the green bit on, because I want to. You can take it off if you want, it's up to you. I think it's nice, adds a little bit of colour, and also puts hairs on your chest. Arr. So we're just taking these strawberries in half and putting them onto a tray. Now chopping strawberries in half, laborious or therapeutic. You can get the kids to do this, get the family involved. You'll probably end up with half the amount you should because everybody's eating them. That's just the way it goes. It's done. Cut strawberries, fragrant, at the peak of their lives. We're already starting here because we've got great ingredients picked right when they should be. But how are we gonna make it better? This is where maximum bang, minimum buck comes into the mix. So what I'm gonna do is buy some freeze-dried raspberry and strawberry powder, mix it half and half, and sprinkle that all over the top. First off, sugar on. You want a generous amount, don't be shy. This is gonna be a vehicle, a carrier for the fennel pollen, the pepper, and the freeze-dried raspberry and strawberry, all to amalgamate and rehydrate from that strawberry juice that's been drawn out from the sugar to create a candy-like creation, just as nature intended. It's perfumed, it's elegant, it's classy, and it's easy. Bit like me. So that's the fennel pollen on, the black pepper on, we're gonna go with the powder. Be really generous with this. You want it caked all over the top. Now the maceration process takes about 20 to 25 minutes. You can do this 2 hours in advance, easily. Now, the Pims. You can't celebrate Wimbledon without a jug or a glass of Pims. We've got Pims, we've got strawberry, cucumber, mint, and bubbles. That's all you need. Classic, untouched. Don't mess with the classics, because they're classic for a reason. First off, cucumber. They go into the glass. 2 of your reddest, most fragrant strawberries. 1 big old hoofing ice cube, and then we go 1 part Pims to 3 parts bubbles. Once all that's in, you go with the mint. In your hands, clapped and rolled. This bruises the mint, it releases the oils, and you use that as a stirrer to muddle all those stunning fresh flavors. Enjoy. Ooh, let's plate. So for this one, it's a bowl of strawberries and cream, but a little bit bougier. We take our whipped mascarpone cream and our strawberry jus. Now I want to make a quite big hole in the piping bag, and then we pipe into the bowl. Now when you pipe, you hover the nozzle above the bowl, squeeze the cream out, fill the shape, and lift off. And that's how you get those perfect little crescents of cream. Sauce in the middle, and then we place 5 or 6 of these stunning, macerated, jam-packed strawberries. And from those 3 ingredients, which are fairly simple to make, you end up getting this elegant bowl of strawberry and cream, that classic age-old combination brought into the 21st century with the addition of fennel, pepper, and a good hit of Pims. And because it's Wimbledon, we've added a tiny bit of edible gold leaf. We are celebrating 100 years after all. What do we need to finish this off? Really bring that hit of luxurious umptiousness, an adult flavor brought to the dish with good quality extra virgin olive oil. And this is the color, the gloss, the shine, that welcome luxuriousness you get when that olive oil hits your palate. And that's it, job done. Good luck to the players, good luck to the fans. Strawberries and cream and a banging glass of Pims. Ah, thank you all.